It's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live, and
it's me, Linda.
We really wanted to share with you all such an amazing time that we had a few days ago when we went to Barnsley, didn't we, Mum?
It was amazing. It was so lovely to be able to have that time away, wasn't it?
Oh, it was.
Visiting friends and just all of us enjoying ourselves together.
And those donuts.
Oh, those donuts. Oh, they were good. They were so good, weren't they?
We really hope that you all enjoy seeing the video. We'll go back in time for you now.
I think it's a great idea to go back in time so everyone can see the wonderful time that we had while we were in Barnsley and some of the amazing food that we had. Oh, that vegan Chinese.
Oh, yes.
The fully vegan Chinese in Wakefield. That was absolutely amazing.
It was. And the fun Sarah had as well.
Oh, Sarah had so much fun, didn't she? I think most of all, it was so wonderful to have the time with our friends.
It really was.
Should we go back in time?
Yes, please.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
We are enjoying our vegan premiere in breakfast, and Sarah is enjoying a snooze.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here.
We're here at Coffee Boy.
Oh, that's nice. That's lovely.
Our donuts have arrived. Really can't wait.
Have you ordered a donut? Definitely a lot of filling and lovely chocolatey.
How
You
good is
enjoying
it?
that?
How good is it?
Incredible. The lemon cheesecake one. Wow, that's definitely lemony. The icing as well.
That one is a fudge ring. So
Here's the fudge ring. Oh, that's so good. So many wonderful flavours. Nice and sweet, but not too sweet.
it's got a slight salty, but it's not like sort of caramel. It's really nice. That one. That one's my favourite.
Definitely one of my favourites.
You look like your mouth's enjoying that.
Definitely is.
Always does.
This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Join dinner until midnight, or bed by nine. This or I wanna see it all. Find the catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need 'em.
The vegan Chinese has arrived. It smells incredible.
Got spring rolls. Massive salt pepper chips are nice. What do you mean snack on them?
You've had quite a few then.
Oh. Mmm. Lovely. Hot and sour soup. Oh, definitely is hot and sour. It's lovely. It's not too hot.
Singapore fried rice.
It smells amazing. Mmm. Wow, that's so good.
Flavours.
Lovely flavours. Salt and pepper chicken. Wow, so good. Here's the vegan satay. Smells amazing. Mmm. Lovely heat and a taste of peanut butter too. A chip with the curry sauce. Mmm. That's an amazing curry sauce. Here's the honey chili chicken. Mmm. That's absolutely incredible. Love it so much. Here's the Sichuan. Smells amazing. Flavours are absolutely amazing. It's really spicy too. You can definitely tell that's made it extra spicy.
Is it nice then?
Yeah.
It is the following day. We're at Build-A-Bear in Meadowhall. We're going to get Sarah a Build-A-Bear. This monkey.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
I think Sarah loves her monkey. We're now on our way to Dolly's. Really can't wait.
biscoff waffle. Smells amazing. It's absolutely incredible. So delicious. Really biscoffy too.
Brilliant.
The bubblegum ice cream. That's absolutely incredible. I love it so much. Here is the avocado, apple and kiwi. Oh, that's an incredible flavour and lovely and creamy too.
Is it nice having the Oreo crumb, biscuit crumb, strawberry and vegan Nutella?
Oh, with banana, yeah.
Yeah.
Here is the watermelon ice cream. That's incredible, it's so lovely and refreshing too. Here's the Oreo waffle. That's amazing with the Oreo crumb and the vegan Nutella sauce too.
Do you enjoy everything now?
Imagine a world where we all belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guest. Happy days manifest. Let's stand together.
Really hope that you all enjoyed seeing the wonderful time that we had in Barnsley.
It was really good. Looking forward to going back again.
Definitely. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. Under the video or at the end of the video, it is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you've ever been to Barnsley.
That's a great question. Another question. Does anyone know the character name of the statue and what film it was from?
That's a great question, Mum.
Be good to know.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from